Hi, my name is Elena Marshall and I'm a fashion design student that studied at Arizona State University. I first became involved with fabric in 2023 of April when I participated as a designer in the Eco Fashion Week Challenge. This challenge brought together so many local creatives and designers across Arizona, ranging from beginning skill sets to intermediate skill sets to advanced skill sets. Many of the people I met were also students ranging from high school to college, and also some of them were industry professionals that had their own brand already established. It was amazing to be able to network and meet so many creative individuals that I have since been able to connect with and collaborate with. Fabric has so many opportunities for students, ranging from internships to guest speakers to materials that they're able to use over summer when Fusion's already closed. It has been absolutely amazing to be a part of this program and to learn about the different opportunities that Fabric has, and I have since recommended Fabric to so many of my friends that are looking to be involved with the fashion community in Arizona. I participated in 2 other Eco Fashion Week competitions where you upcycle denim and learn about sustainability and spread awareness on the importance of sustainable fashion. And I also had the absolute honor of participating as a designer in their Goodwill Gala this year, which allowed me to showcase 5 of my designs with a lot of Goodwill representatives, which is a place where I source a lot of my work. So it was really a full circle moment for me. Being involved with Fabric is something that I would recommend to everybody, especially fashion design students that are looking to start their own brand in the future.